I'm just gonna turn the key on. My truck is temporarily in the process of getting it to a better point. So that's a different switch. All right, lights on, pedal once, you'll hear a solenoid, and then this is my pump, electric pump. You don't need to have that. Let go of the pedal, she starts. Cosmetically, the truck not. Anyway, key on. My pump. One time to the floor. Solenoid gets activated by the temperature sensor, and it just pushes the idle a little bit higher until it gets warm, and then let it go. As soon as it started, and you can see the temperature is not really hot. As soon as it started, I just try to let go of the pedal.